Hey everybody, thought I'd give you a real quick rundown of how the peer review is going to work for this week. By Thursday night, what you need to do is submit your draft for peer review. And what you need to do is go over here to our menu and click on peer review groups. And I have 3 groups. You guys are split up into 3 groups. One of these groups is going to be a live link for you that you will be able to click on. You'll click on your group. You'll go down here, there's a group discussion board. And you'll open the observation peer review. And I've already got a couple things in here for you. One of them is the Getting Started post, which again goes through all the instructions for submitting your paper and claiming a paper for peer review. But the most important thing is down here at the bottom of this post are the observation peer review questions. These are the questions that you're going to use to respond to somebody else's paper. So make sure that you answer these questions completely for someone else's paper. So there's that, and then I also just have a sample peer commentary. This is what your response wants to look like. This is thorough answers to those peer review questions. So that stuff is already in here. You are going to create a thread just like we do for any discussion board. You click on create thread. You can say observation. Here's my essay, and then you can go down here, click Browse My Computer, find your paper and attach it, and then submit it, okay? And then it's going to show up in the list. Here's your observation paper. So once everybody has posted Thursday night, my suggestion would be that by Friday morning, you get back on, you claim somebody's paper, so you would click on someone's paper. Here it is. You would hit reply, say, hey, I'll review your paper, submit that, and then by Sunday, you need to respond with the answers to those questions that are here in the Getting Started post. So you can do the same thing. Just click back on that person's paper, hit reply again, and you can type it up as a Word document and attach it. You can type directly into the message box with your responses, whatever is easiest for you. It doesn't really matter. And then again, submit that. So everybody should have an essay posted and it should be claimed. Sometimes it's hard to tell what's been claimed. So you can go over here up in the corner, it says list view, which is what it is right now. But if you click on tree view, it'll expand things. And then you can go down here and click expand all, and you can see who's responded to what. So sometimes it's hard to tell if somebody's already claimed a paper, but if you do tree view and expand all, then and since there aren't any other posts here, it's hard to tell, but you'll see it all kind of laddered out so that you can see what the original post is and who's responded. So that's it. It's pretty easy. If you have any questions, as always, text me, call me, email me, post in the Ask Mrs. Sargent discussion board, whatever you need to do to get a hold of me. And if you watch this video all the way through, send me an email and let me know, and I'll give you extra credit.